Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dark Souls 3 DLC. First, make sure you have both the Ashes of Ariandel and the Ringed City expansions installed. These add-ons introduce exciting new areas, formidable enemies, unique weapons, and some of the game's most challenging boss fights. For the best experience, it is generally recommended to be around level 80 before tackling Ashes of Ariandel, and at least level 100 for the Ringed City, as the difficulty significantly increases. To begin your journey into the painted world of Ariandel, you'll need to head to the Cathedral of the Deep. Once there, make your way to the Cleansing Chapel bonfire. You will find a new non-player character, Slave Knight Gale, kneeling by the altar. Engage in conversation with him, and he will present you with a peculiar rotten painting scrap. Simply interact with this item, and you will be whisked away to the frozen, desolate lands of Ariandel. There are two primary ways to enter the epic conclusion of Dark Souls 3, the Ringed City. One method is to progress through the main game until you reach the Kiln of the First Flame. Just before the final boss, a new bonfire will appear there. The second option, if you have completed Ashes of Ariandel, is to return to the Sister Fried boss arena, where another new bonfire awaits. Both of these pathways will lead you directly to the Dregsheap, the starting zone for this challenging DLC. The Dark Souls 3 DLCs are renowned for their heightened difficulty, often surpassing the base game's challenges. You will face incredibly strong enemies and some of the most intricate, multi-phase boss fights in the entire series. To succeed, it is crucial to prepare thoroughly. Take time to optimize your character's stats, ensure your weapons are fully upgraded, and consider leveling up a few extra times. Patience and strategic thinking are your greatest allies in these unforgiving lands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.